Another episode of I Don't Know and another Leetcode problem. So today we are going to solve the third Leetcode problem, longest substring without repeating characters. This is a medium problem, fairly popular. As you can see, it has nearly 28,000 likes and just 1,200 dislikes. So let's start. Giving a string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So we have a string and we want to find a substring which doesn't have a repeating characters. So in this case, for example, A, B, C is a substring without the repeating characters, but then A doesn't fall into that category because we already have A here, right? So and B doesn't fall again because we already have B, and the output in this case is going to be 3. In this case, that's just 1, and in this case 3 because WKE is a longest substring in the repeating substring in this with the repeating characters. So let's start our coding. So first, by the way, this algorithm uses the sliding window technique, and the sliding window technique is when you have a left pointer and right pointer, and you sort of move that pointer along the string or an array based on the condition, right? I'm gonna show you guys. So first, what we want to do, we want to create a set of letters. So I'm going to name it letters set, new set. And we need it because we will basically every single letter that we will find which is not repeated, we will put into this set. And when we will find a repeated character or the character that we already have in set, we will remove it from there. So then we want to create a left pointer and then right pointer. Right pointer. And then also we want to create a result. The result is going to be the number of the characters that are not repeated, right? Now we are going to create a loop which is going to be running until the right reaches the end of the string. So s length. And now what we want to do, and this is optional, right? You can do it or not. I like to do it anyway. So I will create a letter constant, which is going to be s right. So you can think as about right as if it's I in the for loop, right? It is a sort of a index within our string or pointer within our string. So now if our set, letters set, if it doesn't have a letter, right, a current letter, what we will do, we will add that letter to the set. Add letter, okay? Now then we are going to move our pointer to the next letter, which is right pointer. And also we will calculate a result. And to calculate a result, we will use our mathmax method, which will get the result and right minus left pointer. So in the first iteration, both of our pointers are going to be here at the position 0. And basically, when we find a letter A, we will put it into the set, then we will move our pointer to the next position, which is B, or it's not on that position yet, but the pointer is 1 now, right? And then mathmax works the way that you provide two numbers and it will return a bigger numbers. In this case, our result is 0 and right minus left is 1, since we just updated our right to +1. So 1 minus 0 equals equal 1, and that's what we are going to assign to our result. Now, if the current letter is inside the letter set, then what we want to do is we want to remove it. Letter set. Give me a second. So we want to remove it, but here is the trick. We actually want to we don't want to remove the letter which is on our right position or based on our right pointer, but we actually want to remove the letter which is on our left pointer. And for that we will do s left, right? And then we want to update our left, move to the next position. So, and that's it, guys. Basically here we will return our result and check if everything works as expected. And yeah, we have an error as letter set. Yeah, we want to actually delete this guy, right? My bad. Okay, so it works. Let's submit it. Nice job. 106 milliseconds, faster than 86% of JavaScript online submissions. And this is pretty good result. So we are going to work with sliding window technique a lot. A lot of algorithms are based on that technique. And maybe I will create a video explaining a little bit more in details how the sliding window works. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like the video. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. That will help me a lot. And see you guys next time. Bye.